Got the McDonald's strips. I've been hearing people say these are trash. So, let's try them. These are pretty fresh. But I can tell you this. I believe what people got a problem with is the breading. This breading is, how to put it, tastes like some cafeteria chicken strips when it comes to the bread. Like when I say cafeteria, I mean school cafeteria. You know what I'm saying? Got a nice little flavor with the black pepper, but it's the breading. I promise you that.
Power to the people, happy Juneteenth. Power to the people, happy Juneteenth. Power to the people, happy Juneteenth. My ancestors were praying up in them kettle pots, looking to God and that generation make it out. Now freedom bells ring in my Texas voice, know what I'm talking about.